Hello, I'm Ajit from USA Production, and this is the sequence of Audacity tutorials, and here we'll learn everything about Audacity. So this is the part 1, and here we'll try to download and installation of this application. Simply I'm going to open the browser. I'm using here Google Chrome, but you can use any one. Simply type Audacity there and search from any search engine, doesn't matter, and try to find out the official website of audacityteam.org. So I got already the download section of the website. I'm going to click there. We are already in the download section, but if you got the home section or somewhere, then simply click on download and you can choose your operating system. I'm using here Windows operating system, so simply I will click on Windows and wait for the download. So the current version of the Audacity is 3.0 and it will automatically start the downloading. The download will be complete in 16 or 15 seconds. It depends on your internet speed. Okay, so the file has been successfully downloaded, and now I'm going to click on this file. Simply I will click on run because sometimes when the window it doesn't recognize the file is secured or not, that time that window gives the security warning like this way. And it is asking for permission. Click on yes. Select your language. I want to go with English. Click on next. Next. Again next. Because I have already been used this software, so it is asking, do you want to continue with the existing one? So I want to click on yes. And I have to also check mark on reset preferences because I have already used this software. Next, and now I will click for the installation. Now this is the final click for next, and click on finish, and it is also check mark automatically launch the Audacity. Reset preferences, yes. And here we have the Audacity. Thank you for watching this.